Take a look at this Trans Am here, unique, especially in classics. 1979 Pontiac Trans Am T-top car. So CC1 code, and they are the glass tops. Cameo white, original color of this car, has had a repaint along the way somewhere. Carmine red cloth interior. 403 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes. AC components are there, but see the belt is just disconnected, so the compressor AC system needs a little TLC. As you can see, red and orange bird to highlight that Carmine interior. Take a look at the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726 as you look at that front fascia. There is a little bit of just kind of spider webbing. Let me if I even really get it to show up. There you can kind of see it in the front fascia a little bit. There's also a build sheet pictured with the still pictures of this car. It was found underneath the rear seat, as well as a folder of receipts, some service receipts, miscellaneous things done to the car that will also go along with it. Rally wheels, front and rear spoilers. You're going to see that on the build sheet. Considered front and rear wheel spoilers. As you can see, the paint shows well. There's a few little spots where it's touched up here and there, but nothing major as far as scratches or dents or anything like that. Talking maybe just a few little small spots, if you can even see that. Interior appears to be original and still in nice condition. Now, if you've watched the videos before, you know how the red will wash out when I get right on top of it. There's the true color of the interior. Nice Carmine red. If I get up on top of it, you're going to see that it washes out like that. It is not faded. It is a nice true red, just like that right there. In the still pictures, you also see the T-tops in the car. So you'll be able to see it with the T-tops on. Just have them off to the side here for video purposes, and I took some pictures with them off also. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It does have a G80 posi rear end. Another thing you'll note on the build sheet, if you take a look at the still pictures, one little touch up, I don't know if you can kind of see that also. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Be able to see the underside, the trunk, the engine bay, interior. Over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. You're seeing it on YouTube. Just remember to click on that link. Down below, the video is going to take you right there to our website. Take a look up and down the driver's side. And again, you can see paint has a nice shine to it. Fun one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. Now, I did try the wipers, radio, blower fan. Those are all in working order. I believe the tech noted the temp gauge was in op, so you're aware of that. You'll also be able to see undersides of the door in the still pictures. Yeah, take a look at this interior. Nice red interior, pretty much free of any rips, tears, holes, much wear, if any. And again, that's spading out because I'm getting on top of it. Let me show you the true. There's what that seat truly looks like. Right there's the true color of it. Don't let that washing out affect your judgment of the color. Tilt column, cruise control. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Let's hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. Now, odometer reads 71,157, which was believed to be original miles. But with the age of the vehicle, on the title, the miles are marked exempt, so I cannot confirm or deny that. Just going what previous owners have said. And judging by the cloth interior, would not surprise me. Starts easily. This center gauge was the one the techs mentioned that was in op. Again, blower fan works, radio also working. Take a look at the top of the dash. Free of cracks, sun fading, anything like that. Center console, nice shape, as are the rear seats. Get a look at the headliner. Could use just a little TLC in that one back corner. What little headliner there is. With the T-top, slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice little rumble coming out of that 403. Slip up to the front. I'm gonna pause this 1 second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Get a look at the underside of the hood. There it is, and again, a 403 or 6.6 liter paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350. Looks like we have a newer master cylinder, power steering, power brakes. Looks like a newer alternator. There's AC components, but like I said, compressor probably needs some care since the belt is unhooked. Otherwise, pretty stock looking engine bay. 1979 Pontiac Trans Am T-top car, cameo white. Check out the build sheet and all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.